I'd like to take a selfie, but my arms aren't long enough. If I was known as the Kitten Man, I bet I'd do better with women. Today is my birthday, and you know what that means. Hashtag yippee, another hat. I have a headache. Anybody have a case of aspirin? God knows, I'm not one to complain, but do you have any idea how hard it is for me to shop for pillows? Hashtag big head people's problems. Sometimes I think my head is so big because it's so full of dreams. Then I remember my mother drank when she was pregnant. I had an epiphany today. I decided that I really should wear bangs. When they make the movie of my life, I just hope they don't have Vince Vaughn play me. Hashtag, how about Mickey Rourke or Nicolas Cage?
Alle gloria militar, alle gloria